I want to figure out how to get people on TV that they can't afford it if I feel like they can do deals. So whether it's them become a client of ours or us to JV with them. How can we implement TV commercials and markets ourselves? I'm like, I don't really want to build a sales team. You know how it, I mean, you know how it is. Building one good sales team is hard enough. Building a bunch throughout the country is hard enough. So we started joint venturing with other people around the country that if they wanted to partner with TV commercials, that we would figure out how to do TV commercials with them. They would not have as big an investment up front. We'd take some risk with them, and we would split the profits.
Yeah.
And so so that's what we're doing. We're slowly scaling out a joint venture model to where if someone says, hey, I can't pay for TV myself and I don't want to do it myself, that we will come in and do it with them. And then we also provide funding if they want to do flips and wholesales and provide some support on the additional support on the back end for them.
It's really smart. Yeah.
So basically we're building a sales army and utilizing our strategy that we know works really well and not having to create a whole team around it or a big team around it.
Yeah, that's brilliant. How many joint ventures do you have around the country at the moment?
We're doing 5 right now. And then we want to figure out how to get a scalable model. Because even if we pick really good people to do it, we still have to do some tracking and accountability and things of that nature. So yeah, we just have 5 right now.
Okay, and then if someone was interested right now in the joint venture, like how does that work?
Yeah, so the joint ventures, the way they've happened at the beginning, it was newer investors that have done some deals, which I want that as a requirement. They need to know the business, right? They came to us and they're like, man, for us to be able to afford to do TV commercials and make sure we have at least 3 months of ad spend, because first month, typically our clients are doing deals and making money. But there are times where it does take some time to ramp up the leads and for those deals to convert. So I say plan at least 3 months. I like to say 6 months, but 3 months, usually 90% of our clients are making money and doing pretty well within 3 months. And so some people were like, I just can't commit to that. And so we're like, okay, we'd vet them a little bit. We like you, we like your market. We can spend $5,000 a month in that market. And then we'd figure out, do we provide the ad spend? Do we split the ad spend? How do we work that? And we do it based on just different factors. So that's been the way it started. I'd say about somewhere around 6-9 months ago as we started that. And then we also had a client that came to us and said, hey, I bought a second market with you guys. We're doing really well in both markets, but I just don't have the capacity to take on both. And so I saw what one of them was doing in one of those markets in Texas, and I'm like, I will be your JV partner there. So we will put a lead manager in place, help you with the leads, help you with whatever you need. And like last month we spent $6,000, and I think we made $80,000 in that market. Off a $6,000 ad spend. And so I want to figure out how to get people on TV that they can't afford it if I feel like they can do deals. So whether it's them become a client of ours or us to JV with them.